Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make simple white rice in an Instant Pot. Normally when you cook white rice in a stovetop, it's a 1:2 ratio, meaning 1 cup rice, 2 cup water. For the Instant Pot, it's a little different. It's actually the same amount of water for the same amount of rice. So since today we're going to be cooking 1 cup of white rice, we're only going to use 1 cup of water. So with that being said, let's go ahead and pour our rice. Now we're gonna take this over to the sink and we're gonna rinse this rice off until the water is not cloudy anymore. And you're gonna wanna rinse it with cold water. We're just gonna put water in the rice. Once you got water in your rice, see how the water's cloudy? We're just gonna move the rice around and keep rinsing it, or keep dumping the cloudy water until the water is clear. Now that our water is clear, we're gonna wanna strain it until there's no water left. Now that our rice is rinsed, we're gonna put the rice back in the pot. Make sure you get all the rice. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of cold water and half a teaspoon of salt. Now you're just gonna wanna mix the rice to make sure all the salt and the water is mixed. Now we're gonna put our lid and make sure this thing's at sealing. Now we're gonna wanna pressure cook this for 3 minutes. Make sure the pressure's at high. So just make sure the pressure level is at high. And we're gonna pressure cook this for 3 minutes, like I said. Well, that's an hour. Let's bring that down to 3 minutes. It doesn't take long for it to cook. We're gonna cook it for 3 minutes. Just let it, and it should start by itself. And then we're gonna let it rest after it's cooking for 10 minutes. Now after you let it rest for 10 minutes, you're gonna wanna release the rest of the steam, which should hardly be any. And your white rice is ready. Now you can just get a fork and fluff up your rice. You got yourself some white rice. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more simple cooking videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.